In this video, we're going to show you the Thesis Workflow Designer, which allows you to automate routine business processes. As part of Thesis's standard functionality, the system can automate multiple business processes, such as managing task execution and document approval processes. Additionally, Thesis has a graphical user interface which allows you, as the user, to create your own unique and specific business process models using simple drag-and-drop functionality. Based on the models you create, processes are created in the system which manage various types of documents and allow your organization to optimize business processes and significantly increase efficiency. Modules are placed into Workflow Designer, and as a user you can then link these together with specific parameters. Each process includes a start and end module with logical elements in between. So for example, you might add assignment to assign a user, or parallel assignment to assign multiple users. For each module you place on the canvas here, you need to include options such as completed, approved, or not approved. Additionally, you can reflect the status of the document at any given stage in its life cycle by including the status module in the workflow process. After creating a design process like this, you then need to customize each link, or in other words, specify the forms and rules for filling them out and include any necessary time transactions. Specify the rules for filling out each section and include any required time transitions. You can see we can update the transitions here. Configure the notification matrix and you will pull up this spreadsheet. Once you've completed this, the push notification will let you know that you've deployed this successfully. Here you can also restrict this process by limiting to one or more document types if required by clicking this availability icon here. So we can submit the credit application now, go to Documents, and under Create Documents select the PO for under 10k, then we can actually submit finally here. Click here and you will be provided with a visual representation of the process we've created, the various participants, and how the workflow will progress through your organisation. Now we've talked a little bit about what Process Designer can actually do, let's look at it in action. Here we have some typical credit application processes that we've created earlier. Let's open one up and see what it looks like on the canvas. So you can see here that the process starts with an application submitted to the Relationship Manager, and then the Relationship Manager has three options. They can accept the application, decline it, or request further information. If they request further information, it goes to another state, waiting for further information. This still sits with the Relationship Manager, as you can see here. The Relationship Manager then has two other options, accept or decline. If they decline it, then it goes to a state which says the application has been rejected. We'll see later on how at any point, if we click decline, it goes to this same state. Or, if the manager clicks accept, it goes over to the risk department, and the risk assessor then has the same three options, accept, decline, or request further information. Again, if they request further info, it goes into this state up here, waiting for further information from the Relationship Manager. That information can either be received or it can be declined. Once it has then been accepted by risk, it's sent to compliance, and then going back to our original process, compliance can also accept, decline, or request further information. Once compliance are happy, we reach the final stage in the process, which is the release of funds. Once accounts release those funds, they click a button to say it's been completed. The funds are released and the process finishes. Thanks for watching.